This is a 42-inch white, 42-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage here. Someone found here at a friend's house here in his room, in the bedroom here. Two things to mention. First off, I'm gonna have to leave the light on because it's a little messy. The string's missing. The pull chain, the thing for the fan one is missing, and also the light cover's missing. So go ahead and start this up on low. It's a little messy, but still, it's a little dusty. I'm about to clean. Maybe I'll clean it a little bit real quick while I'm here or something, but sorry about that. Please ignore. That's just one of my friends playing on their phone, so I just want to let you know what that sound is. So anyway, here's low. Here's medium. Let's be careful. Don't want to break the thing. Here's the top of it. I'll get over here. Sorry about that. That's another door I'm open by. I was gonna get over by I know there's no light in the closet, so I can't. So maybe the light would shine on here a little bit in here, so I could turn the light off a minute. Anyway, there's medium, and here's high. Now watch this. Now when on high, it blows a ton of air. And I'm not joking. When I say ton, I mean a ton of air. Very nice ceiling fan. Yeah, it's kind of dark in here. And I'm doing this on my phone, so I don't have a light with me. Sorry. Yeah, it's a little dusty, so I'm gonna have to probably clean it after I'm done making the video of the fans here. I may try to clean them if I have time. Very nice. Now we'll. Sorry about that. And there it is. Now we'll turn it off. And then this one has 4 blades, so there you go. Hope y'all enjoy the video. So stay tuned for part 4.